Hey guys, Basil here. Before me I have this little Hoover Powerdrive Supreme. It's personally one of my favorite vacuum cleaners, besides all the other ones. I like how it's maroon. It's a very good color to be. There are a lot of features on this vacuum cleaner that I'd like to discuss. Once again, power button is up here. Not where it should be, much like that one behind that little green vacuum. So yeah, as any normal Hoover, it has this little compartment up here. It's got its crevice tool, upholstery brush, and this little thing. There is also, behind this little upholstery brush, it says this, which I think is pretty cool. U.S. patent 5,247,719. That's a lot to say right there. This is a self-propelled Hoover machine. I have it on. Like, why not? I'm sure this machine works at least just a little bit. But as you see, all I need to do is give it a little shove. And it just kind of glides. It stops at some point because it is actually a pretty heavy machine. I can barely pick it up even with the little carry handle on the back. It is a 7.5 amp machine, much like those two vacuum cleaners. This one actually has its sticker on it. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. One thing I like about these Hoovers is that instead of that little thing, you twist the hose. The hose just comes off. Like, shaboom. Shaboom. No hose. It's in my hands now. It's one thing I like about these machines. And now that I've taken it out and I have my phone in one hand, it is quite hard to get the hose back in. There we go. So yeah, that is your Hoover. That is your Hoover Powerdrive Supreme. I don't know why, but whenever I say something with an R in it and then say Hoover, just kind of like horror. I think it's kind of like seriously annoying. So, Hoover Powerdrive Supreme. Bye.